morning. It's currently Monday, last trading day of the month, okay, of September. And that's crazy. So far, we've had an amazing month, profitable month. However, the last 1 week, 1.5 weeks of trading, not trading, the market has been kind of consolidating. I had a rule that I will de-risk for the end of the month, like heavily, not heavily, but like maybe less than half our risk. Because you have to understand, price action is price action. Soon it's October. I will start to risk normally again. New month, new volume. If you know, you know. If you don't know, if you want to learn for free, it should be the link in the description. But yeah, man, welcome to another day. But it's pretty early in the morning. I'm drinking my coffee, drinking some water. About to record 2 YouTube videos, like me talking to the camera, value. And actually, I'm recording this video as well because I'm kind of bored, man. I'm kind of like, day trading is like, it takes 1.5 hours of my day, and it shouldn't take 5 hours or more. But when I used to lose in these markets, I used to literally trade for like maybe like 4 hours, which is crazy. I was just trying to find a trade, and I just randomly tried to look at Asian session, look at London session, look at New York session when I used to trade Forex. But nowadays I trade stock indexes. But it's funny. It is funny. You should only trade maybe like 1.5, like I trade for 1.5 hours a day. I trade on the AM session of New York Stock Exchange. But yeah, man, I used to be losing for 2 years straight. But now I've been profitable for 1.5 years, sticking to my rules, and it's just automatic, bro. Automatic. Since it takes so little time of my day, obviously I have a lot of free time, okay? I can record these videos for you, bring the value, just chilling, developing myself. I'm about to read this book. Once I'm finished with the videos, I'm reading this one book. Just develop always, show up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. But today is the last day trading day of the month. It's Monday. We have Petcher, Powell Speaks, news. So I think I'm gonna only trade for like 30 minutes once I'm going live with the Discord, because volume is most likely gonna be dead, gonna be weird price action. All right, man, so I'm gonna go live trade with my students in the Discord pretty much now, okay? But yeah, today is officially the last trading day of the month, so I'm gonna only trade for 30 minutes. So let's see, do I find a setup? I'm just gonna check the price action. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna start the call right here pretty much now. So I'm gonna go there with my students. So if this NAS NQ break structure, I'll short this. We'll have a break-even area, not a partial in here. We'll see. All right, shorted the markets. We can target. I got in here. Let me check. Yeah, around here. So break even. Now break even. I'll target a little bit below because we're already like secured. It's a pretty huge trade, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna send out to the chat for the people who are not in the call. Okay, that's a break-even trade for me. That was like that was a super quick trade, guys. That was a super quick trade for me. Nice. Okay, break-even for me. That's what's up. But yeah, no money made today, no money lost today. I'll see you guys in the Discord at 9:20 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow, and we'll have the October 1st trading day of the month tomorrow, okay? But yeah, man, this was a solid trade though. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so you literally saw it right there. This was a solid trade. I'm still, I'm happy with this trade. I will take this again and again. But just because it's the last trading day of the month, I de-risked on this trade, and I had a break-even area. If you don't know what is a break-even area, it literally just means that once this line gets hit, I will just remove the risk from the trade completely by moving the stop loss to where I got filled, where I entered. And as you can see, it got hit, didn't hit my original stop loss, went down. But this is just purely market structure shift. As you can see, market structure shift there was a liquidity sweep on the 1 hour time frame, broke structure again, and start to form this downtrend. Look at this, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower, etc., etc. Entered, but that was a liquidity, and equals to me not losing, securing the trade, but not making money today, which is completely fine. And tomorrow is the first trading day of October, new month. But I was live trading with my students in here. Had a good, really good session. And you know, this chat is the single chat where I sent the trades and explain everything for the people who didn't make it to the call. But you know, most of the people can usually make it to the calls, but this is for the people who cannot make it. They have like school, so I make sure that they make money in school, etc., or work at the same time and learn. But yeah, this was a chill trade. But yeah, break even trade Monday. So man, you literally saw it right there. It was, you know, I'm still happy with this trade. Again, why did I de-risk? What is a de-risk? Risking less of my capital, because it's the last trading day of the month and we have fetch up house peaks later in the day. But yeah, chill day. I'm gonna now hit some calisthenics. What is calisthenics? It's just body weight exercises. I'm not gonna hit the gym today. I'm gonna hit the gym tomorrow. And today is just a calm day. First trading day of the week, but tomorrow will be the first trading day of the month. But yeah, I made like $20 today because it was a break-even trade. But even though it's money, I must still call it a break-even trade because I literally closed the trade, I secured it. But yeah, but you know, we gotta stay patient, man. Break-evens happen, break-even trades happen, and it's better than a loser, obviously. But even our losers are really small compared to the winners. Always, that's what you have to make sure. That's what literally you have to make sure as a trader, to make sure that your losses are smaller than your winners reward ratio. And yeah, man, but if you also want to live trade us every single day, make money while learning, becoming profitable independent trader, it should be the first link in the description. But yeah, I'm gonna do the workout now and I'll update you, okay? So yeah, man, this is the end results. Still a break even, but you know, look how perfectly it tapped into the TP and just, all right, whatever, but still solid. Look at this piece of advice that I just yesterday sent out to the Discord. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the month. Whether did you have a profitable or a losing month? Did you learn? Did you develop? Did you follow your training plan? Those are the main questions. You need to stop fantasizing about the end result. Start paying attention to the process. Ask yourself, what are you doing right now that aligns with where you want to be? That is a deep question that you need to ask yourself. Stop thinking about the money right now for a second, okay? Just think about the actions that you're doing daily, okay? Are they aligned with your goals? You want to be profitable. Are you consistent in the markets? Do you actually follow your training plan? Ask yourself, do these questions. Like, you need to ask yourself these questions, okay? If you want to be a YouTuber, are you pushing the content? Are you editing those videos? Are you showing up every single day? Do you want to be big in the gym? Do you go to the gym often? Do you eat enough food? Those are the questions, bro. If you want to be profitable like me, do you get mad over a trade if you lose it? Do you have good risk management? Think about it, bro. It's all those questions that you need to ask. You cannot just go to the goal just like that. It's those everyday habits that you do. Everyday habits. Think about your dream self, bro. Think about the dream version of yourself. What does he do? Is he playing video games all day, eating shit? Or is he actually showing up every single day, whether he feels like it or not, or she? Think about it, bro. You need to ask yourself that. What are you doing right now that aligns with your goals? Okay? And then if you do those things that are aligned with your goals, you'll most definitely get there. Okay? What is going to change if you keep doing the same shit? You're gonna keep getting the same results if you keep doing the same things. Yeah, man. But today, break-even day, $20. Last trading day of the month. Overall, super profitable month for the September. And we had an amazing month with the Discord, premium Discord, free Discord. Everybody made bread, solid. I made bread. And yeah, man, that's what's up. All right, man. So, gotta be honest, pretty calm Monday. But I also gotta be really honest. Today, I didn't do much. Today I didn't do much, as real as it gets. I mean, I recorded this video, read some book. That's pretty much, I mean, day traded, but that was like break even. I only made like 20 bucks since it was a break even trade. Didn't do much, man. But you know, there are some days where you just chilling. You know, I had a rest day from the gym. Pretty much ate food and did the things that I just mentioned. Didn't even go outside. But you know, some days are just, you gotta lock in. Like for real, like I have tasks in a day that I do need to complete to win the day. Okay, and you know, I've done that. Like for today, and also the videos, YouTube. You know, those YouTube videos. But you know, I'm talking about like mainly I didn't go outside or anything. That's what I was talking about. But I did the tasks. Okay, those are the bare minimum. Okay, and obviously, if you do those tasks early, you can proceed and literally just continue doing more tasks. Okay, it depends how committed you are. Okay, and you know what? It's about to be winter arc. Man, winter arc is about to begin. And the funny part is, if you scroll back to my YouTube, before summer, I told everybody to lock in. I don't know if y'all followed, but now it's your chance again. And I'm locked in, bro. I am locked in, like for real, and it shows. When I actually started to take my trading seriously, everything started to skyrocket. Literally everything. Because I locked in, and you gotta lock in as well. Okay? And not just, you know, money. You don't wanna be making money while being a nerd, right? I mean, you can, but day trading itself is kind of nerdy. I got maybe a little bit, but it's cool. Make sure you upgrade every single stat of your life, you know. But yeah, man, that was a calm Monday. As usual, I will see you on the other side. If you want to join the free Discord, it should be the link in the description. All right, peace out.